Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech and make it super easy for you to navigate. Today, we're tackling how to send ETH from Kraken in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, sending Ethereum has gotten even more streamlined, but we'll cover everything step by step to keep you safe and efficient. Whether you're transferring funds to another wallet or making a payment, this guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, head to the Kraken website or app and enter your credentials. Security is key in 2025, so double-check that you're on a secure connection. Look for that HTTPS lock. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section. Here, you'll see a list of your assets, including Ethereum. Click on ETH to access your balance. Now, to send it, select the Withdraw or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's Ethereum address. Pro tip: always verify this address twice to avoid any costly mistakes. Typos can send your ETH into the void. Next, input the amount you want to send. Keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, with Ethereum 2.0 fully rolled out, fees might be lower, but they can still vary based on network congestion. Kraken often suggests optimal fee levels, so go with that for the best speed. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, amount, and fees. Kraken might require two-factor authentication here for added security. It's a quick step that could save you from hackers. Once you're good, click confirm and watch the transaction process. After sending, head to a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track your transaction. It should show as pending and then confirmed once the network processes it. And just like that, you've successfully sent ETH from Kraken. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. We're here to help. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.